blow my green. Obia on the space. Obia on the space.
Obia on the space. Sana nyam kupon ye no.
Sana nyam ye no.
And the space, which is space in the song.
Yeah.
It takes away competitive jealousy. I mean,
sorry, Pacho, bear mic the next time can be.
Bishop, I don't pay the
answer.
Okay, so the Pacho say, and I'm saying Yankopon Emma will be in space, and the space is big.
The space is big.
See, space, so we are overcrowded, Charlie, but the space is still big. Into no, it take away competitive jealousy. There shouldn't be revelation we say no. Omuna de bia as jealousy for competition, so they become jealous. So we be ana no. Yankopon mo bia baby obedidi.
When you be space,
yeah, baby, you will rest. You must find it. Also, baby,
space,
space. When you do space, I bet it's Isaac. Because I hire Rehoboth, I had here. God has given me my own space.
Huh? Sakavio, Jacovi.
Say Yankopon mo bia ni space.
When you bia
ni space.
It is Minisa kwanya se me awose me kekem na me yedede
bi na obi hu ye wahin because or ye adwuma bi obi hu ye wahin because or excelling in a certain area baby or ye adwuma no or konanim no I was say won so hwehwe wo space
obi a on space
onya wo space a obenya asomdwe
obi a on space
yeah on space onya wo space a obenya asomdwe. Into Isaac, yeah, pamo no or say no. Probably this is not my space. Into only on one quam struggle there be or call ya or kohunu ni space no. Or mamba ho be no. Baby our space no. Oh your space you have peace. Or say God has given a higher Rehoboth. Into be a one Rehoboth. You have to find it. You need priesthood. You need prayer to find it.
It is a me who me space ya me here say me bompa.
Yeah, you need and nothing a year Christopher no.
Okay.
In the Bible say yeah we are kings and we are priests. In Revelation chapter 5, see he has redeemed us. And he has made us kings and priests. Into you need to use priesthood. You need to travel in prayer. Also you Christian, also you believer. You download now they are downloading the
space now
for you to see your space. And when you get your space, you become a king. You exact dominion. Ebine say me a pharmacist. But me a pharmacy. Probably that is not my space. Because me who know early. Me who know early say I am crowded. That is not my space.
So
and once a pharmacist, I mean on the Obian Jim from himself.
Yeah.
Once
certificate now.
Yeah, once a pharmacist in good standing.
Yes.
Once a pharmacist, always a pharmacist. But baby I made it in my space. Ebini say yeah can obi call
yes.
Meeting us here who say that is dominion. That is kingship. So that is my crown.
It is enka pharmacy no na wo ya enka obi bi say nkoda sa debi enka sa Kofi Annan International ho no pharmaceutical e bebre ho etikie modin ho but here you are o didi ne ye ka no en wo twa ya wo de maame eti wo no space and na wo ye space ne mo adwuma.
That's right.
Efechia
you have been chatting for the Afrafo, Yamishra, Bishop Yamishra, may you name a man named Jumaya for name. Sorry for me, Bishop. The Yankopon send so am I in the opportunity to
impact.
Yes.
be out of space. You know, I pick words. That is my gift. I pick words. I don't just listen to people. It may mean Pekasa be breed, but Okasa, me fawa semana ba akope, and then I digest into it, right. And that is all. And no demenam. It mean pe preaching a be fa encyclopedia.
I theory.
There be na theory. It me fa ba akopa. To when me no bon komo kra meet my din na me tio na me peke. Me nya peke na be sum se we ya media. That is all. And so be out on a space. You mentioned that 3 days ago. Okana nami ensa etwemo nansanene. Say abrabon wo bia wo babia wo nyame dia manoa as a sort of function.
That's right.
All right. Wo say mpaye na yebetimi ame di enya. And so who say wo nyame na do barriers. Is that the case?
That's right.
Is that the case?
Yeah. You know the starting point, and I say said ye besi ashase ewa brabom so bedi the first thing I also realizing is the biaya me can say nipa nyankopon ball nipa no ye wo your limits. Man is limited into no ohunu so bia e ko nanimu a ohunu so bia e rise ya. It means nipa no when you assistance from somewhere. Who's a Bill Gates was go and ask him. He's just an ordinary man to say anyhow, but he has sought an assistance from somewhere. So be a sofu kesio sofu pono or yen century kobusano. He has sought assistance. Oko jom na who so be the debia you gunin ne diane so ye ne nyomasona say ye pa kobusano we seek assistance in the realm of the spirit. Into no young kasana we don't as when it kinds are there you are limited. Last time I catch you say on free kosoro so bet me the nitia can seal na but the dining in abecha no na so be also on yet because on him say on me oh kosora your force a do into answer na obetimi ohunu say bibi arise beyond you know, baby, it means no aeroplane that took us right. It means our engine or was seeking assistance. Oh, koyebia, enye. Into no, ebimu seeking your assistance either from, and it is a realm of the spirit, because man is we are a spirit, and we live in a body, and we have a soul. On you be enemy. Into no, ye seeking assistance in the realm of the spirit. Is greater, higher than the realm of the physical. In fact, the realm of the physical, we are subject to the realm of the spirit. The humuno ebekase enkonan nebeko. Intino ebimu inti sometimes we bon say onam na obi ato obi ton aduane nko akoto be unse aduane ne nyede so the bia na nkrofo
so
we seek assistance.
Why consultation?
That's right. Into no obia into you. That is why we are Christians. Untimi fa when you can say ankoye adwuma na won succeed. Obia be so all cost bia no pacho kono kobusa no. We seek assistance.
We seek assistance.
We need assistance from the realm of the spirit. And that is why Yankopon say ye kings and but we are priests. Ye hear ho din bi into no Uhunu says Sunny go your kosura bebusame.
And try so will be be feeling.
So me say we me hunu ntem ana me say se obi timi kọ bosom so kwa jinsuo ebe go ni store anim na nkrofo attract nkrofo a bosom no ana se sa insuo na omo de buy ana sa bosom no obonsam ba ye nyina anim so obonsam. He's not God. He's just a copier. He doesn't create. He's a thief. He steals.
Oh, cromfo.
Anna
Bronsam na ukikaza ajira. Bronsam na ukikana. Ukikana adwene ukikana trenza. Oye cromfo.
Sana Bible here. Intino. So who so be etimi akoje assistance wo ho. No ko na anymore. How much more God said Nyankopon ma assistance. Well, say Yankopon ma assistance and your bonsam assistance. Or bonsam assistance no the ma kakra a short while. Obi obese age. Ubi awase akobonsam gem won na kogem.
It is her assistance and will be actually on my WhatsApp say chiri mu bio say kaso will be here assistance and say
here assistance was say number 1 also who say one kasa no by Bible say by strength shall no man prevail.
Okay.
School no limit. Oh, your professor, oh, you're limited. Oh, you're limited. Say, when your idea be, you are still limited. For you to go higher, also assume yamiye.
The source.
Must go to the source for assistance.
Okay.
And until I may say, Bible say, we are priests. Priestly duties require prayer.
Okay.
It requires intercession.
Okay.
It requires to say on say Yankopon say we shira obia Yankopon bo nipa no or say and God bless them. Obia o ye nipa bia wasase su bia o seed of blessing.
It nipa bia de wa bodam se nyame de bo nko a wa bodam wa ware won ware ye obia you have the seed
inshira no tai omu aka de o de be activate inshira no na Yankopon say we shira yen e wo heavenly he has blessed that with all spiritual blessings in heavenly places.
Okay.
Aka say e betwe abafo. So we need prayer to bring it. Prayer will give you favor, to give you men, to give you, open doors, opportunities, resources. Then you can have dominion.
Okay.
Then you work hard. You catch on from me, I work very hard. When it comes to prayer, I do it hard.
It will bomb pie in a year, no. Then Yamedim one in Abana as a say would be in see.
That's right.
And because
king a Jumaye. And no nebemoayo or hene. Because kings have dominion.
Okay.
What you say, kings make they rule into space, and you have to rule in your space.
Yami betimi ama space and enso so no se wa ntimi obi betimi aba befa.
You have to rule.
Okay.
In your space.
Right. So my found call wechi me share adano me no kan asase yantam bad and because we bomb pie no say wo space they say yes me a pharmacist then but me ntena was na me ntwen say me a pharmacist so my bomb masters near the it another one I mean say be to Gary. In fact, I don't want me preaching. I made the example to our prayer meeting. Say, "Uto Gary no package. Uto Gary no package. Uto Gary no package." That's Debbie. I was me quatrasa.
Let me come in. Go the next level.
But say me quatrasa. And the man will call to Kojiasa se kakra se fe no wo donna wo de aye banchi fu. Old because some can also will cut up by Gary Ayaya Dada no dear. Very simple. And I was actually must say Banchianka Sana you one would do say.
Oh, a dog, a bro 50 varieties.
Banche.
Quite grateful for Banche different types. A some Banche, one Banche, one Casa, a dorsal varieties in the dorsal. Variety a day starching, yeah, no one ye you will be a honoma Nebian percentage of water, percentage of into varieties in the dorsal. A dorsal be improved, a be a local, a be a honoma, banchini be a honoma, a timid drought, say opecia, and cannot still they be able to say green. Yeah, a business so on my pesipe, the leaves in be shed, leaves in shed there and more. Into a bit tasty, good, a bit tasty, depending on the crunchium will develop here. And you develop here for food.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, bunch be on for industrial. This is starch, they say, and yet the AD. Banchini be or one and being na ye but there is something in it. I'm painting I'm developing.
All right, so I'm in Caulfield. So can you give me the land? Let me maybe a question on that because but TNT is for where we school, where we school, where we to Onoma aye Casa Tente, Casa Polo, and then you are waiting for government. The no could delay so near the no. Wuntina master opinion na what we are menene to train common. Me pese or no dear yeah who is space, not the space, and also one fine empire bonkwa because who knows space and bumpire we now on such a demry from was my bumpire, and say empire no crown. You already make prayer. Ayo, azin. So now more yes, Debbie. You need to have your space. Who knows space also dear banche, oko baby anye. No, so the honor a clay. Okay. It then ultimate one asase fofra would did yes good dia e would be.
And no make say somebody led me. Yankopon God where Yankopon he works in mysterious ways. There is one resource and Yankopon dia maye e nipa men. The bia me can say same way. Say the ministry of men. Sometimes we ignore it.
The ministry of men.
Men, powerful.
The ministry of men.
Nipa.
Prophet Addison. The ministry of men. The ministry of men.
I like your shit.
Addison.
Yeah. The year say me call baby. Say me kwa kope. Na me kwa kope irrigation materials. Na me dia kwa koye edwuma. Na me tu honom no. Ma me bi wo ho. This woman kept I know the friends say chemical bia be si ho. Oh, ye was sa we etimi ye we ye was sa de say na sa ma mi kra. Me koto irrigation machine e dia kwa koye irrigation. Inti no into sa no oya sa ni nyana ase
Dr. American's abani say
mama say me ba beto chemicals. But through that na ma me no ye free.
Okay.
Na feel o start say o busame say hefa na mefuo no wo na me kan efuo no ye betimi aba besrawo nti ye beba ana mo ba ye oba no hu say asase no me bre clay ana
ba volta
ho say almost services no edi no inti me call ya na nka me call ya na de machine ma me na me call ya nka ono no nka me nhia no services afei oba ya ohunu say asase no ohunu say baby am de irrigation machine ne economy bre because asase no eye enhyeda nya feta ano say ni nua bi wa asase ewo baby am wo sisi ampota
central region
na me interested and I'm so me interested ano ne me call ya kohwe nti no so it's like
so when you space no we hear
nipa de me say de bia obe
hear nipa
de bia obe sori obe hu nipa bia have rest
we hear nipa
yeah nti na Nyankopon amoye nko ano de bia because Nyankopon shira nipa true man.
Oh my God.
So for when him say mpa boy ye boni ade nyina ye de frɛ nipa last me prove chiro
me ba cho wa Facebook no you can more episode join now share as assassin. I want you to look at it share assassin and you be introduce so no
that's right
and you ono an and na man hu assassin or space or desire or dream wa bompaye wa your pharmacist wa training masters your marketing with him say your branding name nenso so said we here will be to introduce him abrabumo buafo pa ente o hwe asase de yantam no anyeso ofiti ya and that's one person o hwe because we dey opportunity to look at it hwe na ya wo hie nipa obeboa wa anye dwe because obi betimi aso wonsa Edwako baby. Almost sika. Then so be so once. Ubebe me ebetimi ama one complimentary card forever of your life. Right. You will be successful. Right. You will be successful. Ubetimi do a doctor ba ko pe o. Mama Facebook no wo checking na checking you say you be na. Enti maame no e de ko ya no na.
So inti maame na inti okoy na me hu say asase ne ye. Na am say okay. So we started. Sisi a me wo ha nu kra nu rechi ase almost Sunday me district so me win best agro processor farmers day baby what win award your company na win award na inti ha no bi asende o se obi wa asase wa ha inti so omo hunu de wo ya nipa hunu de wo ya
Okay.
So it's all through men. Yeah, me see so obonsam nim sa de we. Nti obonsam be ha obi o de nipa ne ba nipa abrabo. Yakopon be bless you obi a o de nipa ne ba nipa abrabo. Men. Nti Yakopon say, I mean, what is man? That God
only penny when
and until we don't despise any man. In fact, who say nipa no need your own. He can be your divine connector. And fact, who say nipa no need you will be a honor. He can just change your life. Make a chunk of us said ye here will nipa botum will be botum.
Sa can be them in Pesa. Sa can be coffee. Also coffee no coffee.
They may pattern say
the women no
me here na
will be botum.
Be here na shall be botum.
It be the here shall be botum.
Bishop, o they calculate
are you a Jawa mo the enche be station free and to over there.
Some re compare time o they calculate here 10 billion. It will be just a check. Probably on him the other day. And so you need who here the ministry of priesthood. Say God should connect you, and just by meeting one person, your life will change forever. Until God blesses man through man.
If we are saying no, it will be bottom.
It will be bottom.
And it will be in some.
It could be
and it could be ideas.
It will be 1 and 9 by 50. What you want to soon dying. Obet me at your dying back, and your dream is fulfilled. Ekrobi nti nipa Nyankopon
eso kasa so for je de nza to na pempem wo be compare jefe na wo
bishop mpacho se sisi aye bompaya ye jesu amen.
Yes sir.
Nyame nshira say amen.
Yeah.
Obiye bibia obeka bia wonim say it is the highest way of asking God. We are the trust to say enye ho. Sa amen no yi eni free ho aye men.
Hey, Kofi Amprechu, Enoch, Osofo, Chief Secretary.
Bishop.
It's ye free wa. They to us a man.
Intino Obompire, so God introduces men. So we don't despise or your cleaner or your wine or your security. Or talk about no befa or no be page out. Until we don't disrespect men.
Wow.
No matter near the stature, but man, there is something that God put in man.
Bibi wonu manyame de agura ne pem.
Eti Nyankopon bompaya the heart of man. God. And just one man can change your story.
Okay, abesi ourselves everything. Bese me see asore dai e merade. Baby e de me call na de me call school. Compound na mama yenyame dwuma nyina bebre be ye transfer me ho na yede me ko but na aka se me free ho but wana papa bi buy no so uska e betime nya asase tian bi ama ho e ko na iniska so ba ye dinyame za kakra na kapres mpoa na ye pese we sit down ba wo hwe wa sore do na hwe nipa egumu a wo beche Adabia na dwumo ha na obi frame onyama soreba was sort plan na me hunu but mama suggest na me nkyerɛ se onyama soreba on wo kan no udi si asem so ade bia opese wo ye bia no
yeah you need man
You need a man. Onyama sorry bow, but the fear najo, the human wardene, while I'm or bring ideas. And a person to try me because packet card that came over 4 hours and sound would draw. I need the man.
That's right.
Also, the me baby no church been sorry been to a super so you say, but I just have to introduce you. Look at it from this angle. What sort of wing come here say? Into ukasa we are bread. Into my man with you need a man.
Yeah, you need a man. Ideas.
You don't need a rich man, but you need a man.
You don't need money. Maybe I'm catching professor say, "Obi obom paye clear radima miska nyankopon de be ma bo hu so yakola." That things.
What's that say? What's that say?
Me say. Me mom paye nkanche radima misikada.
Now catch it as I say.
I need men.
I need men.
Man.
Obi
bottom say ideas
success
ade na masika no eno na wo hia enye sika nti say nyankopon obema uska bo say usa you must dig deeper. Yeah, there are in fact there are me say in the realm of the spirit currencies are the ton nyoma money is the least.
There's a sika
nipa ya currency.
Nipa ya sika.
Honor. Enidie keke.
Enidie.
It's a currency that opens you to access. You know, it gives you access.
So not just say nyame di obi kra ba life mo eye obuo ni enidie a wo de be accept nipa no.
Exactly, Bishop. Nkrofo bebre wo hono ma Nyankopon amom nkrofo omo this honor from life. So they are struggling.
I like that. I like
struggling. People are struggling because of dishonor.
Yeah.
Disrespect, dishonor. Ungratefulness, dishonor, disrespect.
Wow.
Omu need discernment to see. Say nipa here.
Wow.
Yeah, your destiny helper. Destiny helpers.
Wow.
And they are still struggling. I'm see a radie.
Wow.
I said me 10 years ago.
Yeah. What can make a conference we were Chicago na Professor Bitre was say the intia nyame di asomasi obenten ba no unhunu ne emfaso a woso ne name after 5-10 years it will be nyame di ne ba wakwan mu bia no ode ne ba mabotai.
Yeah.
But yes senia obesia a hold nipa ante bereganza ote ya hanomen na me I was a very young Christian I was Ashanti region. So from wakuna na ye ne program and the Yakubi. Now he say mami bia be jono no obo guitar. No to nyuma na demons tutu. Just that. Now where's so me Bible no me hunu musa o to dum obi pega nyuma stadium near in stadium Methodist.
Yeah.
Onya pega nyuma na demons are manifesting na me hunu bi da. And that is where I'm at the home. I didn't know. I mean, never simple. Me be share one-on-one say that. But every day I'm seeing be a kaisa atmosphere noa. Many years. Some don't need any daughters of glory. Need any Tego sisters. No. This is a woman. So far, I couldn't identify Ashanti region, and I was a tiny boy. Na me teach instruments. Na me pastor. And since I'm home, so anytime I'm going to be it brings me back. Say, so far, I can introduce me to such a vessel.
Right.
Into a bibia, me born you ma, me buffering the bottom of my heart. She is the only singer in this country. O mayimo, oh, body Juma, obit me afro no aka thank you.
Honor.
Only person. The only some you don't know to jump.
Yeah.
So being family you don't want to but the only person in this country who be bianyum on send the message now I said that
gratefulness, honor.
Very ungrateful. But this woman of God Brunya obe isakro obe parcel bibi no de abro se me dawase. So today to say nyankopon di nipa betimi abrew nanso se ne wo be so nimu It me hono a me hwahwa no we uradim. Go by and coming with wins a crab. Obi ono obeja adom to fo bejina me wevu kra me say de me hu omo gate. Because they don't value relation. Dr. Mpachona person.
Nimsibia or Kaya. So far, anyom tufua mashia wonyinano. Omuye tupe. Ena mehu say enye enyom keke no moto, but they have ministry. Way back, where making it was somewhere in the late 90s, getting into 2000. Amiba The Hague,
Holland.
Yeah. Na oba abeton.
Nenyo.
Na ya that time na cassettes. Na oba ye no. O twen na chise you wie bibia said o mu ba ye o mu na ya mu chance no aton nenyo. But of her caliber, me hu ye no. Na ojira praises and worship no mu. Yes, o lead you or support. Sarandam
Nkrofo to dwom no. Or I backing vocal.
Normal service no. Unzo obo ba obetena ase no aka ne na ato so wi anu ama ne chance no aton na nwom no wa gini sika no okọ. Ba maami wei e begina microphone chi uninvited.
Yento yen samfre no.
E hwe no a dimi gina so Jim, you know, Tony na over turn by force. Because the way you know, actually, me say, why me Tonyum, name of obey ministry. The free sadan, only a 2 pet. Lady Baku, or Italy, a friend Mimi Becky, or non so a similar ten. In Tinobu Dame Yiswa, a 50 Beckham Sabre way. The Tima Mary Deeper,
Yes. Also, NBN, what can you? In the pa. And you know, I take care, man. I friend is CJ Barmanche. Obayena, Dr. American's program, me who saw your home. And I'm so me bone the rule. What's the main okay, tell me plain. Sasabi, many channel. My radio, my year for so many years. I've done now on was but diapers now. But Ubien obey program one. See, you have a catch him say, my many program no maintains a walk on was a year relationship.
That's right.
A year ubua with the menipa. Fama. Aunt Mary. Question ever. Your time was so you